Welcome, traders. If you're looking to level up your trading game, you're in the right place. Today we're exploring the 5 best trading platforms that'll help you take control of your financial future. Let's dive in. First up is eToro. Known for its social trading, eToro lets you copy the strategies of successful traders. Whether you're into stocks, crypto, or Forex, eToro's user-friendly design and community-driven approach make it perfect for beginners and experienced traders alike. Next, we have Binance. If you're into crypto, Binance is the go-to platform, offering the lowest fees and access to over 350 cryptocurrencies. It's perfect for anyone looking to trade digital assets with advanced tools and resources. Coming in at number 3, we have MetaTrader 4 and 5. These platforms are loved by Forex traders for their advanced charting tools, technical analysis, and automated trading capabilities. If you're serious about trading, MetaTrader gives you the flexibility you need. Number 4 is Interactive Brokers, a global platform perfect for professionals. With access to over 120 markets and competitive fees, IB is ideal for those trading a variety of assets, from stocks to options and futures. If you need powerful tools and a broad market reach, IB is a top choice. And finally, there's Robinhood. If you're looking for a no-frills, commission-free trading experience, Robinhood is the way to go. It's super easy to use, offers access to stocks, crypto, and ETFs, making it perfect for beginners who want a simple, low-cost way to trade. So there you have it, 5 of the best trading platforms for 2025. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or a seasoned stock trader, there's something here for everyone. Remember, the right platform for you depends on your trading style and goals. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips.